Shot some incredible photos with a Hasselblad camera and now have FFF RAW files to process? These contain pristine medium format image data from one of photography's most prestigious brands. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and processing these Hasselblad RAW image files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical FFF data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. An .fff file is a high-quality raw image captured by Hasselblad digital cameras. Professional photographers use this format to retain the maximum amount of unprocessed sensor data, allowing for extensive post-processing adjustments to exposure, white balance, and color. The user intent is professional photo editing and archiving. The .fff flexible file format is a proprietary raw format designed by Hasselblad. It stores uncompressed 16-bit image data directly from the camera's sensor, along with extensive metadata. This lossless approach ensures maximum image fidelity for professional workflows, prioritizing quality and editing latitude over file size. The FFF file originated with and is formally handled by Adobe Photoshop, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows doesn't access complete sensor data, so accurate adjustments must be done in RAW tools. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your FFF file and click Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If your FFF file will not open yet, do not panic. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this FFF error before we apply the universal fix. First, processing in Focus. Download Hasselblad Focus free from hasselblad.com, which provides native FFF support with optimized color rendering. Launch Focus and import the FFF file. Focus applies Hasselblad's natural color science automatically. Adjust exposure, white balance, and tonal parameters using Focus's professional raw processing tools designed specifically for Hasselblad files. Next, opening an Adobe Camera Raw. Import FFF files into Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop through Adobe Camera Raw, which supports Hasselblad RAW format. Apply standard raw processing adjustments, including exposure recovery, shadow lifting, and color grading. Adobe's processing differs slightly from Focus, but provides excellent integration with broader Adobe Creative Cloud workflows. Finally, using Capture One. Open FFF files in Capture One, which offers superior Hasselblad RAW support with custom camera profiles. Capture One provides advanced color editing, tethered shooting, and comprehensive raw processing features. Favored by professional photographers, the Hasselblad-specific Capture One version offers additional Hasselblad workflow optimizations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.